Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an AMX by Harman automation controller, anything in the MU series. So this is MU-1300, MU-1000, any of those, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's basically two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this controller not working or not responding or not connecting, that hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to get all the configurations and everything like that, I'll just reset to the way it was when it came out of the box. All the scripts, all the everything will all be wiped off of it. So we can do that via the ID button right here. So in any of these units, the ID button will be in a little bit of a different place, but the ID push button, we can use it to do a reset. So basically what you need to do the factory reset is you're going to press and hold it for more than 20 seconds. So you'll see it'll start to blink white, then it'll turn to blinking orange, and then it will start to blink red. Once it blinks red, that indicates that you've held it long enough to do the full factory reset. You can release that button and then it will fully factory reset and you can set it up as a new device.